So, what is apiculture?
जरा थांब ना 5 मिनिट 5 मिनिट थांब.
For the commercial production of honey and wax. Honeybees produce honey and wax, and both products are of high commercial value. And study of honeybee is known as apiology. Among the in India, 5 types of honeybees are found, as shown: Apis dorsata, Apis indica, Apis florea, Apis mellifera, and Melinoma species and Trigona species. Now, among the members of colony of honeybee, there is a division of labor, and 3 types of individuals are commonly found. First is queen, second is drone, and third one is worker. Now, apart from all of these things and coming to the most important topic, that is method of beekeeping. As apiculture doesn't interfere with other agriculture activity and provide handsome income, man has started rearing honeybee through following method, in which first one is indigenous method, also known as old method of beekeeping. This old method or indigenous method used by old apiculture is very crude, cruel and unplanned. Man has been stealing honeybee from the hives by using various techniques like smoke to drive the bee or chop the tree on which colony of bees are found and then pull out of all the honey. But this method of beekeeping suffers from number of drawbacks, and due to which it is at the time of squeezing, because at the time of squeezing number of eggs and larvae are killed out, due to which it is not recommended by present day panel. Hence, by the time man has developed some modern methods to commercially produce honey and other bee products on large scale. In 1851, Lorenzo Langstroth invented modern beehive, enabling greater production of honey. It is a wooden frame box consisting of single or double wall. It usually consists of stand, which is a basal part, bottom board, which is placed over the stand, broad chamber, which is placed on bottom, and broad chamber is covered by super chamber. Queen excluder, which is placed between broad chamber and super chamber. Inner cover, which provide ventilation, and top cover, which protect the colony from sun and rainwater. Now, this is all about Langstroth beehive. Now, other than Langstroth beehive, many tools have been devised for the proper care and maintenance of beehive, such as shown. Honey extractor. Honey extractor extract the honey from the comb without destroying the comb. Bee wheel. Bee wheel is a protective device made up of fine fabric worn about the head by beekeeper while working with bees. Gloves. Gloves protect the arm and forearm while working with bees. Smoker. Smoker is a device used in beekeeping to calm the bees. Bee brush. Bee brush is used to gently brush the bees off of the frame while extracting honey. And honey scraper and wire mill. These are all the tools that are very essential in beekeeping or rearing of honeybee and serve as versatile tool for beekeeper. Now, briefly talking about the key point that we have learned so far. First of all, we had seen the introduction, in which we had seen what is meant by apiculture. Then we had seen the 5 species of honeybees that are commonly found in India. And then we had seen the methods of beekeeping, in which first and foremost method is indigenous method, also called as old method. And then we had seen the modern method, because indigenous method suffers from lot of drawback, which is due to which it is not recommended by present day panel. Then we had seen modern method, in which we had seen the structure of Langstroth hive, and lastly we had seen what are the appliances or tools that are used in apiculture. So guys, that's all I wanted to share with you today. I really appreciate the opportunity to talk with you today. If you have any doubt, queries or question regarding this topic, you can directly answer. Question me, I will answer
Show me
after.
all the slides.
What ma'am?
Show me all the slides.
Okay ma'am. Now this is my first slide in which I had written what is meant by apiculture, introduction about apiculture and 5 species of honeybees that are commonly found in India. In second slide I had shown the colony of bee, means how is the colony of bees and what are the individuals that perform the different function, and each individual have to perform different function, and 3 type of individuals are commonly found that are queen, drone and worker. In third slide I had written the methods of beekeeping, which because man has been stealing honeybee through following method, in which first is indigenous method, also called as old method. Apart from indigenous method, second one is second slide there is modern method, and in modern method I had written the information about Langstroth beehive, which is used in common days to rear the honeybee. It is a wooden box made up of single or double wall, and these are the part of that Langstroth beehive: stand, which is a basal part; broad chamber, bottom board, which is placed on the bottom of stand; broad chamber, which is placed on the bottom and which is covered by super chamber; coil excluder, which is placed between broad chamber and super chamber; and inner cover, which provide ventilation, and top cover, which protect the comb from sun and rainwater. Next,
It is a brood chamber.
what ma'am? No ma'am, Langstroth beehive. Brood chamber.
Brood chamber.
Good.
Okay ma'am. Sorry.
Correct it.
Okay, sorry. And then I had write the other appliances apart from Langstroth beehive, which are the appliances used in rearing of honeybee, which are very useful for beekeeper to take with them. And this is a summary to briefly point out the key points. And lastly, thank you so much.
Very good.